Hi, so we will see one of the news regarding COVID-19 vaccine, that is Covaxin. So this is the news of June 16, 2021 from the article Hindustan Times. Headline is, does Covaxin production involve cattle? Government clarifies as RTI doc goes viral. So Pandey wrote in an RTI response, the Modi government has admitted that Covaxin consists newborn calf serum. Congress Gaurav Pandey on Tuesday shared an RTI document which answers the question, does the process of making Covaxin involve FBS, that is fetal bovine serum? The reply said, as per information provided by the firm, newborn calf serum is used in revival process of Vero cells, which is used for the production of the coronavirus during the manufacturing of Covaxin bulk vaccine. So, what is Covaxin? Covaxin is developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. Contain serum of the newborn calf, which is a portion of clotted blood obtained from less than 20 days young cow calves after slaughtering them. So this is heinous. This information should have been made public before. Calf serum is involved in the process of developing the vaccine, but the finished product does not contain calf serum, the government claimed. So, newborn calf serum is used only for the preparation or growth of Vero cells. Vero cells are used to establish cell lives which help in the production of vaccines. Different kinds of bovine and other animal serum are standard enrichment ingredient used globally for Vero cell growth. The standard process of preparing Vero cells and a similar procedure is used across the world. This is also the process used for decades in polio, rabies, and influenza vaccines. During the time of the growth of the virus, the Vero cells are completely destroyed, and then the virus is killed and purified. From that inactivated virus, the vaccine is developed. Hence, the final vaccine does not contain newborn calf serum at all, and the calf serum is not an ingredient of the final vaccine product that has been cleared by government. After the growth, these Vero cells are washed with the water and buffer, and the washing process gets repeated multiple times, which effectively removes calf serum from the Vero cells. Then these cells are infected with coronavirus for the development of the vaccine. Why Covaxin uses calf serum and not Covishield? So, Covaxin is developed from a live or inactivated coronaviruses, whereas Oxford vaccine Covishield, on the other hand, used chimpanzee's common cold viral vector, which delivers the code that allows our cells to make the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. So, what does Bharat Biotech say? Bharat Biotech say that Covaxin is highly purified to contain only the inactivated virus components by removing all other impurities.